In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to take partial profits on Binance. We'll walk through the necessary steps, ensuring you're equipped with the knowledge to execute this strategy efficiently. Taking partial profits can be a great way to manage your risk and secure some gains while leaving room for potential further growth. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just getting started, it's a skill worth mastering. First, let's open the Binance app. Once you're in, navigate to the trade section. This is your main arena for executing trades, and it provides you with all the options needed for managing your investments. Whether you're dealing in cryptocurrency or any other assets, this is where the magic happens. Next, you'll want to tap either spot or margin, depending on how you've structured your investments. Spot trading allows you to direct trade assets, whereas margin trading involves borrowing funds to amplify your potential returns. Both have their pros and cons, so choose the one that aligns with your current trading strategy and risk tolerance. With that set, it's time to select the crypto pair you intend to trade. Crypto pairs are essentially the currency combinations you're dealing with, for example, Bitcoin to USD or Ethereum to Bitcoin. Selecting the correct pair is crucial because it dictates the dynamics of your trade. Ensure the pair matches your intended strategy and market analysis. Now that you've chosen your crypto pair, tap on sell. Here, you'll enter an amount smaller than your full holding. This is the partial amount you wish to sell. It's important to decide this strategically. You'll need to weigh your current profit against potential future gains. Selling a portion lets you diversify your risk and solidify some of your profits while maintaining a position in your chosen asset. The next step involves choosing your order type. You have two primary options, market or limit. A market order will execute immediately at the current price, perfect for when you want to take advantage swiftly of the market's current rates. Alternatively, a limit order allows you to set a price at which you'd like to sell, providing more control over your trade. If you choose a limit order, make sure to set the price according to your analysis and expectations for the market. Finally, you'll want to confirm your order to sell that partial amount. By doing so, you're locking in some of the profits from your trade. This step finalizes the transaction, making your decisions tangible. It's a satisfying way to manage your investments while mitigating risk. And that's it. You've successfully taken partial profits on Binance. Remember, the key is to have a strategy in place that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Happy trading, and may your investments continue to thrive.